All right, so today we're going to go over how to use the CFPB to get better results with your current credit repair company. We're going to go over what you should do and what you should not do. Number one, on the left side of don't. Do not let your credit repair company create a fake email for your complaints. This is one of the number one things that credit repair companies do. They simply create a fake email so they can get the code and file the complaints on your behalf. Number two, do not let them lie and claim you are a victim of identity theft if you are not in fact a victim of identity theft. It's not going to work. Stuff's going to go right back on your credit report. Number three, do not get a fake police report to send in with your CFPB complaint. I don't know if you all remember Rose, credit repair in Texas. This is what she got in trouble for doing. So you don't want them doing that. What you should do, create an account with the CFPB using your actual email address. Not a fake one that's created, one that you use every day. So you're the one that gets the code, not the credit repair company. All this stuff needs to go through you. Number two, make sure they are either using consumer laws and or factual dispute reasons in your complaints. Again, you don't want to lie in your complaints and say you're a victim of identity theft, and you don't want to say you have a police report when you know you shouldn't be putting a police report in there. If you are a true victim of identity theft, of course put it in there, but don't lie just so you can get results. Because remember, they're going to investigate, put this stuff right back on your credit report. Number three, make sure they are also mailing in your letters to the credit bureaus and not disputing online. Never, ever, ever dispute negative items on your credit report online. It is the worst thing that you can do. Now, I know I've made videos in the past about not letting your credit repair company do these complaints for you, but there is a right way for the credit repair company to do these, and it's to go through you, not create some fake accounts. Chances are, if they're doing everything on the left side of my board, which is don't do, they're not running their company the correct way anyway. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.